Hello everyone, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston, Mare. Just thought we'll take a moment to walk you around this 2017 reg Peugeot Partner Tepee, wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us at the moment. This particular car's only done 12,200 miles from new, one owner, ex-Motability, comes with a full service history. Vehicle is converted by Allied Vehicles and offers either 5 seats or 3 seats plus wheelchair. There's your ramp chair, how all that works. Just leave it down. The other handle. There we go, so that's the ramp folded down. So there at the moment you're seeing 5-seat mode, so 2 seats in the front, 3 seats in the rear. Just go around, I'll show you how we fold the seats down. Press that button, tip the seats up, these little feet just fold in. And there you have it. Now I've got space for the wheelchair or mobility scooter. You can remove those seats if you want to. If needed, you can fold up the 3rd seat as well if you need that little bit more room. Seat in the rear. To transform it back, just fold the legs out. Tip it down, tip it back up, and there you go. Back to 3 seats in the rear again. Another nice feature with this one is what we call the fold flat ramp. And to operate that, just pull this lever. There you have it. It's got a nice flat load floor there, which is quite useful. So if you're using it not to carry a wheelchair or mobility scooter. So it also comes with rear parking sensors. That's the 2 little black dots on the rear bumper. Privacy glass. I'll show you up the front. Again, I should expect 12,000 miles is all lovely and clean. So it's got daytime running lights. That's those little lights you can see in the bumper. Also, this one's a Euro 6 compliant. Also makes it only £20 a year road tax, so lovely and cheap. So there you go, 12,219 miles. So your CD radio, your air conditioning, electric windows. It also comes with, you can see that through there, cruise control and speed limiter. 2 keys. Traction control there as well. So there you have it. Oh, sorry, also forgot to say, also comes with an electric winch, which will be quite nice for assist with loading and unloading. There you have it. So if that's of interest, then obviously get in touch. You can either give us a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching.